As a professional manufacturer, Ansan Solar has been specialized in solar water heater more than 10 years. Ansan low-pressure solar water heater with 3 advantages, which make your life more intelligent and convenient. We use the outstanding quality vacuum tube with 3 layers, which make fast heat transfer, quick heat absorption and long-time warm keeping. Thicker stainless steel 3042B food grade inner tank and high-density foam layer keep the water warm about 72 hours, which improve the warm preservation about 30%. So, you can use 3 days after getting sunshine 1 day. All the connectors use high-technology welding, which can extend its lifetime. Optional spare parts, such as feeder, controller and electric heater, can achieve automatic water supply, intelligent control and heating water backup, so that you could have bath even there was no sunshine. Hope you enjoy sunshine and enjoy life with Ansan Solar.